Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find your Coinbase wallet address on the mobile app step by step. Our first step being that you open up Coinbase. Once it's opened, you scroll down till you see the icon showing receive, the arrow pointing down. You click on that, and with this you'll be taken to the menu where you have all of your Coinbase wallet address. So now with this, you have your Litecoin wallet. You scroll down, your Bitcoin Cash wallet is also available. You scroll down again, you click on the Ethereum Classic. Just by clicking on these names that are written in bold here, these names right here, once you click on them, you gain access to all the particular tokens you're looking for. So let's say we want to send cash, that's your USDT. We can send it USDC. It's also available, free cents. As you can see, this is my USDC wallet address. So yeah, it comes in different forms, different networks. That's the Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and the Avalanche C-chain. So guys, with this now, you've been able to, oh, and let's not forget Bitcoin. And boom, with this, we've been able to get our Coinbase wallet address. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can locate, find, or search for your Coinbase wallet address, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.